This week in AI is something else. 4 groundbreaking breakthroughs at once. Self-supervised vision models, Google's new mini-brain AI, ByteDance's ToolTrain, and Microsoft's POML. Each one powerful on its own, but together, they're reshaping the future faster than ever. Let's dive straight into the biggest AI developments that dropped this week, and why they matter more than you might think. Imagine a robot walking into a brand new environment, a factory floor, a hospital ward, or even the surface of Mars. Traditionally, robots depend on massive labeled datasets. Every object, from a cup to a chair to a wrench, needs human annotated labels. Without that, machines struggle. But this new self-supervised vision breakthrough flips the script. Instead of needing endless human labels, the AI trains itself by watching the world, by learning relationships between pixels, shapes, and movements. Think of it as a child who doesn't need flashcards to learn what a dog is. They just observe, interact, and understand. What makes this revolutionary is its adaptability. Drop it into a new environment, and it doesn't freeze. It starts making sense instantly. That's huge for robotics. We're talking about warehouse bots that don't need weeks of retraining when the layout changes. Agricultural drones that can adapt to different crops and climates. Even planetary rovers that can understand alien terrains without Earth-based pre-training. The real kicker? Speed. These models can adapt almost instantly, opening the door to robots that are finally as flexible as humans in new environments. From global environmental monitoring, where drones analyze forests or oceans without custom datasets, to industrial inspections where every machine might look different, self-supervised vision is poised to become the backbone of next-gen robotics. This isn't just an incremental update. It's the key that could unlock general-purpose, adaptable machine vision at scale. Now, let's shift gears to Google. For years, the challenge with AI has been simple: performance versus size. The biggest models, like GPT or Gemini, are insanely powerful, but they demand massive cloud resources. That means cost, latency, and privacy trade-offs. Enter Google's Mini Brain, nicknamed the Mini Beast. This is a compact, ultra-efficient AI model designed to run directly on your phone or edge device. No cloud required. Think about what that means. Real-time, offline AI that's always with you, consuming minimal energy, and operating securely without sending data to external servers. Picture your phone running advanced translation, summarization, or reasoning tasks all day, without draining the battery or requiring an internet connection. It could rewrite the way we use personal AI. Why does this matter? First, privacy. Imagine running sensitive health queries or financial analysis directly on your phone without any of it ever leaving the device. Second, cost. No cloud servers means cheaper services for both companies and users. Third, accessibility. Billions of people around the world don't have stable internet connections. With Mini Brain AI, they could still access cutting-edge AI tools offline. It also makes AI ubiquitous. From smart home devices to wearables to autonomous cars, this kind of small yet mighty model brings AI to the edge. The cloud dependency era might be ending, replaced by a new wave of on-device intelligence. Next up, ByteDance. Yes, the company behind TikTok, but also an AI research powerhouse. Their latest creation, ToolTrain. ToolTrain is being called a code-hunting machine. Its specialty is navigating massive code bases, identifying bugs, and suggesting fixes with deadly accuracy. Why is this a breakthrough? Because modern software is sprawling. A single company might have millions of lines of code spread across dozens of repositories. For a developer, just understanding the code can take weeks, let alone finding hidden bugs. ToolTrain accelerates this dramatically. It treats the codebase like a map, navigating through functions, dependencies, and logic paths at lightning speed. Imagine giving it a vague bug report. The checkout page fails under certain conditions, and ToolTrain tracing it back to the exact problematic function in minutes. This is automation in the heart of software engineering. It saves companies millions of developer hours, reduces downtime, and even improves security by catching vulnerabilities before attackers do. Now, picture the impact on open-source projects, where contributors worldwide struggle with unfamiliar code. ToolTrain could become their navigator. Or in enterprise IT, where legacy systems full of tangled code often paralyze progress, Tooltrain could act like a superpowered debugger. It's not about replacing developers, it's about giving them a super tool, one that turns weeks of bug hunting into hours and accelerates innovation across the board. Finally, let's talk about Microsoft's bold new move, POML. POML stands for Prompt-Oriented Markup Language. Think of it as HTML for AI prompts. Just like HTML structured the internet into something readable, interactive, and scalable, POML aims to bring structure to how we design and manage AI prompts. Right now, prompt engineering is a mess. It's mostly text-based, unstructured, and varies from person to person. One engineer might use a long chain of instructions, another might rely on a few keywords. Scaling this across teams or enterprises is nearly impossible. POML changes that. It introduces a standardized markup-style language to define, test, and reuse prompts. Developers can build complex AI workflows the way they'd build web pages. Need a system prompt that integrates reasoning, tone, and formatting? Just write it in POML. Need to combine multiple prompts into a workflow that chains outputs together? POML makes it clean, reusable, and modular. Why is this transformative? Because it allows prompts to become infrastructure. Instead of ad hoc experiments, prompts become assets that can be versioned, tested, and deployed at scale. For businesses rolling out AI systems to thousands of employees, that's gold. It creates consistency, reduces errors, and supercharges productivity. It also opens the door to AI development frameworks the way HTML and CSS opened the door to web development. We may see a whole new ecosystem of tools, libraries, and templates built around POML. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Each of these breakthroughs, self-supervised vision, Google's mini-brain, ByteDance's Tooltrain, Microsoft's POML, is impressive on its own. But the fact that they all landed in the same week is the real story. Together, they signal an acceleration. AI isn't just evolving incrementally anymore. It's leaping forward in multiple directions at once. Robotics gaining adaptability through self-supervised vision, personal AI going offline with Google's mini-brain, software engineering boosted by ByteDance's Tooltrain, prompting becoming infrastructure with Microsoft's POML. Add them up, and you start to see the shape of the future. AI that's more adaptable, accessible, powerful, and structured. From Mars rovers navigating alien worlds, to smartphones running AI assistants offline, to developers squashing bugs with AI co-pilots, and enterprises building scalable prompt systems, these breakthroughs bring us closer to a world where AI is seamlessly integrated into everything we do. And here's the kicker. This is just 1 week of updates. If this is the pace of innovation now, imagine where we'll be in 6 months or a year. The gap between what AI can do today and what it will do tomorrow is shrinking fast. So, 4 breakthroughs. 4 signals that the AI race is accelerating. Which of these excites you the most? The self-supervised vision that could make robots more adaptable, Google's on-device mini-brain AI, ByteDance's code-hunting Tooltrain, or Microsoft's POML, the HTML of AI prompts? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because the AI world isn't slowing down, and neither are we.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.